So, you need your fuel injectors cleaned, and you want to know how to start the process. Let's go over how simple it is. Once they have been removed, you are only a few clicks away. Head over to our website, Injector-Rehab.com. Here you will go to the injector cleaning category to select the service for the type of fuel injectors you will be sending in. We service all types: port injection, GDI, piezoelectric, all tested at actual operating pressure. After selecting the type of injector and service, you will change the quantity to the amount you will be sending in. Remember, we have a 2-injector minimum. You are responsible for inbound shipping. The shipping you are selecting during checkout is your return shipping method when we are finished. You will complete your order like any other e-commerce website. This will generate an invoice receipt which you will need to reference or include in your package with your injectors. Carefully package your fuel injectors before shipping to avoid damage. Be sure to include a printed copy of your receipt, or at a minimum, a handwritten note including your order number. Without this information, we have no way of knowing whose injectors we received. If you do not include this information, you can plan on a delay in service. Please be courteous of our time and check your inbound tracking online rather than calling us to check. We will not sift through all of the packages we have received to let you know we got yours. Tracking info is provided from the shipping company for this reason. Once we receive your injectors, we place them in line to complete. Turnaround time is based on the type of injectors you send. The time for each can be found on our website and varies depending on current volume. We do our best to keep turnaround time as quick as possible. Once your order is completed, we will update your order and send tracking information to you, letting you know your fuel injectors are on their way back to you safely.